Okay, so we are going to see how can we invoke a procedure which is present in a different schema. What are the various methods of invoking uh, that particular procedure? So I will be telling you the two methods which we can have to invoke that procedure. Okay, so let's get started. Let me quickly create an application, a very simple application. Give it any name like proc app finish. Create a message flow. Give a schema name. Finish it. Let me quickly drag and drop the required nodes. Mq input, Mq output, compute node from transformation palette, connect it, connect it, give a queue name to trigger this particular flow, test queue. I have a test queue present on my queue manager. Okay, this is output queue. Now see, let's get rid of this unwanted code first. Now let's create a procedure in a different schema. How can we do that? Create a eSQL file, give any name like area of a circle, give a schema name. I mean, we want to have this eSQL file in a different schema, and in this particular eSQL file, we will create the procedure which is required to be invoked. So write any schema, finish. See, my different eSQL file in this schema is created, so both the schemas are different. Let's get rid of all the unwanted code because we want to have just area procedure here. So create procedure area begin end. Okay, so let's have this procedure accepted two parameters. One is radius, another one is outref. In out reference, we'll be setting some area of a circle in output route, and that will be sent to now output queue. That's why we are taking this out reference, and this is reference type. Okay, so my procedure is created, so let's write some code here. Outref dot area is equal to pi r square, meaning that 3.14 into radius into radius, right? This error is coming because this procedure is nowhere. So let's have this procedure here. No, this error is there because I haven't provided type of this radius. So let's have it as integer. Save. My error is gone. Now invoke this procedure from my main SQL file. How can we invoke? Using call statement area. Now this expects two parameters, radius and outref. So let's have, but in order to pass these parameters we should create them. So declare radius integer, give it any value. I am hard coding it for convenience. Give it any value like 2. Create a outref. Let's have this as XML. mean the same thing. Copy it, paste it here because this is referencing this tree. See, the moment I saved it, I am getting an error because my this eSQL file is not able to find this procedure because this is in different schema. So how can we correct it? Just copy it, paste it here. Area dot circle is a schema, and under that we have this area procedure. Let's save it. See, so now my problem is rectified. So in output root dot example dot root dot area, this tree will be created. Under that we will have radius of a circle. So let me quickly deploy it on my execution group. Let me trigger my flow, right, and browse the output. Browse, one message came, right? So my area is calculated. So this is one way. Let me first clear this queue. Another way is, instead of writing it here, remove it from here, write it like path, then schema name that a colon, save it. See, there is no error. Again deploy it, deployed, trigger my flow, trigger it, browse the output queue. Again we'll have the same result. So these are the two methods which we can adopt to invoke a procedure which is present in a different schema. Okay, so in my next video I'll be explaining like how can we invoke two procedure two procedures of same name which are present in two different schemas. So how can we invoke that procedure dynamically at runtime, right? So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching this video.